What is going on YouTube? Today I have an awesome video for you guys. I will be doing a nice quick little review of the comfort grips. Now these are not little slabs of chicken. This is, I forgot what it is, but it looks like a cool desert tan kind of color grip that gives you a nice handful of goodness, if you know what I mean. Now, let me kind of sorry. Let me go on record in saying that the ergonomics on this maybe 6 out of 10, I would say. Like there's enough to grip, but the way that the analog sticks are placed, I kind of feel like there's a gap right here in my hand when I'm gripping it. I don't know if you can see what I'm saying. And that gappage there, kind of after an hour and a half, I'm getting a little old. My hands start cramping up a little bit. And I know that Legion Go 2 is nowhere near the unergonomicness of the Switch 2, but the Switch 2 has so many different grip type of companies doing grippy things, and Legion Go 2, you have like the one TPU case that everyone gets. You have the comfort grips now, which have been fantastic on devices I've used before, like my ROG Ally. And more importantly, this grippage allows you to do this. Remove the Joy-Cons or the Super Extendo controllers, whatever Legion Go calls it, and keep the grips on, which I'm very excuse me, which I'm very excited about. So without further ado, let's dive right in here and see how this works. Now, I will leave a link in the description down below for these if you guys are curious. So it looks like there is a clipping mechanism, and you just kind of pull it open. There is a little divot here that I am assuming is going to go into the Joy-Con. So let me just, man, I hate removing these things still to this day. Alright, left Joy-Con removed. And just do the right one while we're here. Okay. Right removed. Legion Go. Right there. So here is the left one. As you can see, little divot. And then I believe the little divot is going to be that screw hole. So let's just kind of slide it in here. Let it fall into place. And then just kind of mash it in. So, easy peasy. It is on. And right off the bat, I don't know if you could tell or if you remember from earlier, but that gap is no longer an issue. I'm getting a full handful full of fullness of grippiness right here, and that feels fantastic. Let me get the right one on. Again, comes off pretty easy. These are all 3D printed, by the way. Get them on Etsy. Make sure that is in there. It is. Nice little squeeze. And we are in. And again, a fantastic handful, a very ergonomic feel. Now, earlier I said I was mostly excited that these grips remain their grippage detached in this fashion, and primarily, I don't know if you've seen my video on the Nintendo Switch 2 Etsy thing that I got. These, I will make a video on these here shortly, but check this out. Nintendo Switch 2 middle Joy-Con connector thingy. Boom, boom. and you get to maintain your grippage on tabletop mode. Very cool. Now I have the Legion Go controller thingamajig, and I will get that in there like so. Get that in there like so. Slide that up. It still never feels natural. And oh my goodness, that is not just the nicest feeling thing. This feels amazing. I'm not I'm not affiliated with the Comfort Grips guy on Etsy in any way, shape, or form. This is genuinely a game changer for this controller. Another thing to mention, button works, button works, button works. Only thing you're losing, and I don't think a lot of people really care, this may honestly be a bonus, is no FPS mode buttons. But man, the trade-off is just so worth it, and I do kind of like that tan feeling that the this colorway gets you. Now you can get it in just black or blue. I'm sure you guys have seen 128 kilobytes or bits or whatever. That dude's fantastic. Give him a follow. But I really kind of liked this tan, and it is fantastic. All right, enough fooling around. Let's attach these to the Legion Go and push the button. Go. I'm not really taking these off all too often, but man, that's still not used to that. Taking these controllers on and off. All right, let me just feel it. Feel it. There you go. Oh, that was a nice click. All right, I'm getting the hang of this. Come on. Come on, get in there. Get in your home. Get in your home. That's your home. Don't you want to get in there? Okay. That felt like a click. Yeah. Okay, there we go. It clicked. And without a doubt, this thing feels phenomenal. 10 out of 10. I think you guys got to try this out. There is one more test that I would like to do. This here is the slim case for Legions. It's like the Legion Go S and 2 and whatever by JSOX. So let's see if with these grips, if this fits in here. Moment of truth. Alright, it's looking like we're pushing the limits of this case. I just want to make sure. Oop, put it to sleep. Huh. Alright, so it does reach. You gotta stretch it out a bit. And it definitely fits, but it is super duper snug, but definitely portable with the Comfort Grips on. Now, one thing I wanted to try too was the modular case on Etsy. If you guys have that, let me know what you think about it in a comment down below. Of course, I will drop this case if you're curious. They also make a mumbo jumbo one, but I like the slim case personally. Let me get this out of here before it suffocates because I didn't actually turn it off. But if you're like me and you have somewhat of a problem with the ergonomics, your hands cramp after a while, you absolutely need to get these things. They are a game changer. They have my stamp of approval. You guys need to try them out. They're only like 20, 25 bucks, something like that. Absolutely worth it to kind of change your whole experience of the ergonomics of the Legion Go 2. Alright, you guys, that is all I have for you today. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments down below. A like and a sub goes a long way in supporting the channel. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Later.